So you're watching this video because you have one problem, and that problem is you don't have time to warm up emails. So you want to be able to send emails today without ruining your deliverability. So the question is how the fuck do you send emails now without having to warm up? Well, the reality is you have to warm up, but there is a solution. I'm about to show it to you. So this is going to allow you to skip the warm up. These email addresses are going to have already had 3 months of warm up beneath them, so they have a very strong sender's reputation. So they haven't been marked as spam, they've been replying to each other, and so the ESPs, email service providers, have already categorized these emails as reliable, as something you can trust. So as, yeah, trustable. I don't think that's even a word. And so it just comes down to the provider that you need to use. So you guys just have to go to ZapMail. Okay, so super easy problem to solve. It's going to cost you a little bit more. But as you can see here, ZapMail.ai, just click the link down below and it'll take you right there. And then have Instantly.ai, click the link down below, and then you'll have a link there to set that up. When you log into ZapMail and you create an account, I don't need to show you that. It's super simple. Go sign up. Over on the right, see this right here, pre-warmed. You're going to click the pre-warmed, which is what we're already at. So you pick a domain, you get pre-warmed inboxes, and you can literally start sending today. So you don't have to warm up. They've already been warmed up for you. So this is how you skip the warm-up process. Click Buy Now, and then boom. They're going to have personas already. You got Piper, Rose, and Vince, Aaron, Kayla, and Jenna. So you see how they already have these personas who are going to be fictitious, members or communicators or reps in your company. And then you're going to click right here. So boom, check out. And then just to show you, number one, you want to keep the warm up on. Okay, do not turn the warm up off. And then you're going to click keep warming up. It's going to cost you a little bit more, guys. So because speed, you're paying for speed. So in this instance, you're saving yourself weeks. You need to solve a problem now. You need to get in front of people today. You need to be able to start booking meetings now. It's going to cost you $21 a month for these 3 email addresses. It costs you $36 today because you're paying for the domain as well. And you're going to be able to send 60 emails a day to 90 emails a day, if you push it, per email inbox. So 36, if you want to be sending, almost 1,000, 600 to 900, you would buy 10 of these, which would be $360. Which multiplied this by 10 would have $210 per month. This is speed you are paying for. This is being able to solve a problem now that you are paying for. And you click proceed to payment, pay using Stripe, pay using Wallet, and then you're going to follow the instructions for the import. And it's literally just going to connect right into your software. You're going to log in through this, and it's going to push all those into Instantly for you. So just follow the directions. Guys, this isn't a super complex video. This is short, this is sweet. This is how you start sending emails today at scale with high deliverability, pre-warmed up, no guessing. Just pick the emails, the domains. So they're going to have these associations. So this is going to be follow up op pro. This is going to be expansionrise.co and followupfield.co. And these are just domains, guys. So this is how you circumvent the domain warm-up process and start sending emails today. Otherwise, you have to go the traditional way, and you cannot skip warm-up. You got to pre-warm them up for at least 2 weeks, but generally speaking, a little bit longer than that. And you cannot send emails today. So if you want to solve this problem, ZapMail, pre-warmed, and then just click the link down below. Listen, they handle the no-text setup for you. It imports everything for you. You just have to have the Instantly account, and then you have to have the ZapMail account. And it's that simple, guys. So comment down below if you found this useful. And once again, the links are right down below. And if you're interested in joining our cold email AI-driven program, we would love to give you a guest pass. So shoot me an email down below, and I'll give you a guest pass. We'd love to hear from you. God bless.